Hi, Sheriff Shannan Moon here at the Nevada County Sheriff's Office with some updates as we go into day 2 of our public safety power shutoff in Nevada County. Yesterday we saw some great stories of neighbor-to-neighbor resiliency as we push through this time with no power. Some people can call it an inconvenience. Literally, sometimes it's not necessarily inconvenience. We have some folks in our community that really do need power based off of medical need. The water systems, a lot of our community members are on wells. I am myself, so we're getting through this together as a community. What we saw yesterday was a lot of calls for service at our regional dispatch center. Over 500 calls for service, and on any average day we get around 250. So we doubled our capacity yesterday for calls for service. In the Sheriff's Office jurisdiction, it was about 120. Calls for service ranged from crime concerns, suspicious activity, as well as welfare checks on folks in their community. At our patrol staff, we were fully staffed. We had extra staff on, ensuring that we were in neighborhoods with the lighting being, as it was with no lights on in the neighborhoods. The calls for service that also entailed some fire activity. That we were very fortunate that our fire services partners got on them very fast. We had a fire in North San Juan last night that they put out very, very quickly, and they're in mop-up stages right now on a fire in Rough and Ready. So where we are now is we just got updates from PG&E, and they have a goal of re-energizing power to Nevada County starting between noon and 2 p.m. today. That means once they make that decision, they have to visually inspect every line. We are therefore expecting to be in the power shutoffs longer than when they make that decision, so they have to visually inspect. So we're going to see some PG&E workers out in the community, and we do have we've had some calls for service where they've not been treated so nice in our community. Clearly, people are frustrated, but let's let them get their jobs done safely so that we can get this power back on for our entire community. The Sheriff's Office staff, I couldn't be prouder of the work that we've done. The folks have been coming in. Even though they've been affected themselves and their own families, they're coming in to make sure that we provide that very important public safety for this community. We are still on backup generator power here at the Sheriff's Office and at the Wayne Brown Correctional Facility. So we're assuring that all of our services we haven't had any decrease in services with the power shutoffs. As soon as we get any other updates, if we have anything more, we'll be more than happy to put another notice out. But I say thanks to the community, thanks to our staff, and let's make sure that we get through this safely together. Thank you.